Good morning students. Today I am going to start the next chapter of the computer, that is lesson 2, number system. In ancient times, when we used to count the things, we use fingers and pebbles, sticks and other type of stones to count the numbers. But later on there are the development of four types of number system. First is decimal number system, that we commonly used in our mathematics. In decimal number system there are 10 number of digits. The digits are 0 to 9, means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. All the numbers in this decimal number system are made from these 9 digits. So the base of this decimal number system is 10. Second is octal number system. Octal number system, it has 8 digits, starts from 0 to 7, means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. It has base 8. Third is binary. What do you mean by binary number system? Binary has 2 digits, 0 and 1. The base of this number system is 2. Last one is hexadecimal number system. Hexadecimal number system has 16 number of digits. So they are from first 0 to 9 and then A to F. It means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and then other numbers, that is 10 is represented by A, B, C, D, E and F. So this is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. So base of hexadecimal number system is 16. Now come on the main point, that is in decimal number system the word is dec. Dec means 10. So it is of 10 digits. Second is oct. Oct means 8. So it has 8 digits, base is 8. Third is binary. Bi means hota hai 2. So it has 2 digits, base is 2. Last one hex and dec. Hex 6 हो गया, dec is 10, that is equal to 16. So it has 16 digits and its base is 16. So what do you mean by base? First we have to clear it that in decimal number system we say that decimal number system has the base 10. So when we represent any number, example 547, then it will be represented by 7, that is unit digit, 7 into 10 की power 0. Tens digit 4, 10 की power 1 and the 5, that is 100 digit, it has 10 to the power 2. So by this base on multiplying you get the 7, it is 40 and that is 500. So it is 547. In the same way, when we come on the octal, then suppose a number is 1, 2, 5, then it means the 5 number is 5 into 8 की power 0, 2 into 8 की power 1, 1 into 8 की power 2. So the number will be 5 into 1, that is 5, 2 into 8, that is 16, 1 into 8 is 64, that is 64. So on adding we will get the number 5 plus 6, 11, 4, 15 2 and 6, 8, 85. So the value of octal number is 85, that is counted in decimal number system. When we come on the binary number system, suppose a number is given to you 101, which consists of 1 and 0. So when we count it by giving the value, then what it means? 1 into 2 ki power 0, 0 into 2 ki power 1, and this one 2 ki power 2. So by on multiplying the number by given base, we will get the number 1 into 1, that is 1, because any number which has power 0, its value is 1 always. Okay, 0 into 2, that is 0, 1 into 4, that is 4. So we will get the number 4 plus 1, 5. So the value of binary number 101, the value is equal to 5 in decimal number. And the hexadecimal number system, if we take a number such as 3b, then what it means? This number b, the value of b is 11. 11 into 16 ki power 0, that is 3, 16 to the power 1. So 11 into 1 is equal to 11, 3 into 16 is equal to 48, 8, 1, 9, 4 and 1, 5. So you will get the value 59 of given hexadecimal number 3b, and the value of 59 is in the base decimal number. So when we convert it, we get the actual value in decimal number. Now we will learn how to convert a value from one base to another. So mainly we use the number in decimal number, and we are learning computer. So in computer use binary number. Computer understand only binary language, that is consists from 0 and 1. How we change the given number, that is decimal number, and we want to change in binary. Suppose a number is given to you 25, then there are 3 number of steps to change a decimal number into binary. First one, divide the number by base. Divide the number base. What is base? Base is 2. Binary has base 2. So you will divide this number by base 2. Second step, you have to write the remainder and further divide the quotient. Further divide the quotient by 2. When you get 0, then write the remainder in reverse direction. Now look here, suppose a number you have taken 25. So when you divide by 2, you will get 12 on dividing. And what is the remainder? Remainder is 1. You will write the remainder on one side. Second step, further divide the number by 2. 2 6 are 12 and remainder is 0. 2 3 are 6, remainder is 0. 2 1 are 2, remainder is 1. When the number is smaller, then you will write 0 here and the remainder is 1. Because according to the rule of the computer, when you divide a small number by any number, then the answer is 0 and you get the remainder whatever the number is given to you. So in this way, so you will get the 0 in the last, and all these remainders are written in reverse direction from below to up, that is 1 1 0 0 1. and this number is binary number. So you have converted 25 number, that is decimal number, to 25 you will write in this way, base is 10, and you have converted in base 2. So we will write 2510 is equal to 110012. This number which you get the starting, you say is least significant digit, least significant digit, and this is the most significant digit, and you have to write the answer from most significant to least significant. So you write in this way. Now take the one more example to converting this number. Suppose you take 321, then further divide it, divide by 2, you will write the remainder on one side. What will you get? 2 1 are 2, carry 1, 2 6 are 12, further this is 0 and the remainder is 1. 2 8 are 16, remainder is 1, remainder is 0. When you divide a number completely, then the remainder will be 0. 240, remainder is 0. 2 you will get 20, remainder is 0. 2 10 are 20, 0. 2 5 are 10, 0. 2 2 are 4, remainder is 1. 2 1 are 2, remainder is 0. In the last step, as I told you, that you have to write 2 zeros are 0 and the remainder is 1. And when you write the answer in the reverse direction, then what will you get? 1 0 1 0 0 0 0 and 0 1. So this is the converted number in binary number. Next come to the